Greg Udelhoven with the folks from Twin Disc. I'm with Peter Helbers, who is the sales manager for the EMA industrial division of Twin Disc, and Andy Conaty, who's the global product manager for the company. Peter, let's talk a little bit about the origins of Twin Disc and what's really unique about the company.
Twin Disc is a company which was founded in 1918 by P.H. Batten. Okay. And he was working at that time for a company making tractors, the company Wallace. What happened is that he had a certain vision about smooth operation of the tractors, and he came up with the idea to make a clutch which was then existing out of two discs, and that's where the name is coming from, Twin Disc. Now, the product was so successful that the owner of the company said, well, I want to have more of these clutches, but we are not going to build them. I need someone who's going to build the clutch for us. Okay. And so the company was founded together with an investor and someone who designed the clutch at the end. Okay. What then followed is a long history of 100 years of success.
So could you tell me, in today's market, what's really unique about Twin Disc? I mean, again, there are a lot of different manufacturers, component manufacturers. What's really unique that you're taking out into the marketplace today?
First of all, Twin Disc has offered over the years reliability. Yeah. And what we say is we put horsepower to work, and therefore you need reliable products. We have many main OEMs using and bolting our equipment to their machines. And what is even more important, because these OEMs export worldwide, they need a service worldwide. Yeah? And we, as a company, Twin Disc, we can offer this. We have a huge dealership with 250 representatives, service people who are trained and certified and have the adequate equipment to offer this service for our products.
Anything else that we should know about Twin Disc, Peter?
Well, we have a strategy of continuous growth. Okay. Yeah, and that we are more than 100 years in business shows that we are, first of all, a reliable partner and make great products.
Okay, great. Very good. Thank you. Andy, I know you have several products you'd like to talk about, but let's start with this hydraulic power takeoff unit.
Yes, we have a range of hydraulic power takeoffs, a new family of products ranging up to 1,200 horsepower, 900 kilowatts. The product we have here in front of us is the 800 horsepower version, our HP 800. New features for the products: we have an integrated charge pump, integrated reservoir, and also integrated hydraulic manifold, which gives the user a complete hydraulic system. And then we offer heat exchangers and filters for cooling and filtration of the circuit that's used to engage a hydraulic power takeoff.
I know that you wanted to talk a little bit about this dry clutch power takeoff. Tell us what this is all about, some of the features.
Twin Disc also has a family of hydraulically actuated dry clutch power takeoffs ranging up to 900 horsepower. These are a new family of products for us. We have a hydraulic circuit that allows the clutch to engage remotely. The clutch is self-adjusting. No need to adjust the clutch when the friction plates start to wear. There is no pilot bearing, allowing for ease of installation onto an OEM's engine. Also, the main bearings are oil lubricated, and the PTO is designed to be virtually maintenance-free. Twin Disc manufactures mechanical pump drives. Here we have an example of a 3-pad unit. The pump drives themselves are geared with ratios for increasing or decreasing the speeds, and also 1-to-1 ratios. We have options to mount the pump drive to the engine, bell housing and flywheel adaptations. We also manufacture options for driveline splicer flanges that can be used for remote mounting the pump drives. On this particular pump drive, we have a wet clutch power takeoff that mounts onto one of the pads to disconnect the pump, individual pump from the system, or we have a clutch on the input of the pump drive that can disconnect the entire pump drive from the engine. Pump drives themselves, we offer wet clutch power takeoffs on the input, allowing the user to remotely engage or disengage the pump drive from the convenience of their cab or from the convenience of something else besides being in front of the engine.
Okay.